Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix rate limited on Snapchat. So in order to fix that issue, first of all open settings on your mobile device. From here go to the option of notifications from settings. Now from here scroll down below and find Snapchat application. Tap on it. Now over here make sure that the toggle for allow notifications is turned on and other sounds, badges and also the option for previews have been turned on. You can also go to Snapchat notification settings. From there you can see whether the major notification settings are turned on or not. Make sure that the major notification settings are turned on. Now after this, let's go back to settings and then just go to the option of general over here. Now go to the option of iPhone storage. From here, go ahead and tap on Snapchat app. Now over here, all you have to do is tap on offload app and then clear cache from the Snapchat application. Now the last step you would want to do in order to fix your issue is that open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. I'm gonna launch App Store and then search for Snapchat. Here we go. Now tap on the app. Now over here, if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and update your Snapchat application to its latest version. By doing so, you will be able to fix Snapchat rate limited problem on the app. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.